Nice one.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm playing Pizza Place and I have so many money. So ito yung aking laro. I can also speak English because I'm a Filipino and English girl. My favorite subject is English. I don't know why, because I like to speak English.
There's no trade, right?
I'm lagging right now because I have so many customers na gusto ng pizza ko. So right now, nagbabay ako na ito. Oh my gosh, ang daming boxes. Ang daming boxes, kaya nga pala nagalaglag ako. Tatapon na natin to kasi waste of money lang to. Waste of food. Let's check. Oh no, my clean bot is low bot.
2 lives.
What?
I'm gonna do the event.
Ito ang aking isa pang Ito pa yung aking isa pang Erica.
Serious right now.
Si Elio po. It's my little brother.
What? Why? What should we play? Okay, what should we play then?
Pini mini pini 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 ni pini ni mama.
Jade. Jade. I'm thinking.
So ito guys, ang dami kong nilagay.
Jade.
Ang dami kong pera ngayon. Dami kong pera. At sorry guys, nag-glitching yung cars.
What?
Dahil sobrang dami kong pera. Ako ano na mayari?
Again.
Hello, what happened if I have so many? What happened if my money is so tall?
I'm going to do palengke. Iwan ko na.
Ano marang po?
Jade.
Yung marang ko
Jade,
po.
can you play by yourself? Because I'm gonna go to palengke. Because I'm going to buy.
Mamamalengke lang sila, Jade.
I'm gonna buy some food. I'm not gonna end the call. We're still in the call.
I'll just talk to him instead.
Huh? Jade! My mom said you need to end the call.
Or maybe I want to talk to him instead.
Okay, bye!
Okay, ito na ngayon sa video ko. Bye!